I saw him on a bus ride. He had been working abroad for some time. During the conversation, I asked when he was told that I intend to stay permanently in this country. Let us get struck here. You have earned for generations. It was then that he began to tell his own story in detail. Both are unmarried, worked abroad for last 10 years. It was a good job. The job was to load and distribute diesel in small tanker lorry, food generator and other supplies from construction companies. There were so many customers. Tension was generally low. The payment was almost accurate. Sometimes they pay for the diesel next time, the time when the finishing work is in progress on the site where once a big project is taking place. So they needed extra supplies. Since they took over time, I delivered them diesel several times a day. There was no concern about the bill. They have not experienced any such problems in their dealings for so long. So I took the cash I had and borrowed it from others and bought diesel and delivered it to them. Then one day went to the company office to collect all the bills till the due date and collect the money. The office was closed. When I asked the security, I felt dizzy. When I heard him saying that, briefly he said that had left after completing all the work on this site. Even if I add my savings from the last 10 years, I will not able to repay the debt. What should I do? Somehow it all came to an end and I organized the rest of the money and few guarantors and for the time being I went home to sorting out the crisis somehow. Now everything has to start from the beginning. Dear ones, stories of such frauds are many. The world is full of frauds who cheat believers. It doesn't matter how great the worship is to please God. Sins of human will not be forgiven without asking him forgiveness. Allah and his messenger have introduced such cheaters as hypocrites.